All right, today it's Halloween and I'm going to be making ramen noodles with a bloody egg. All right, absolute goodness. All right, so to get started, to make this absolutely goodness ramen noodles, you're going to need ramen noodles, rapid ramen cooker, an egg, and red food coloring. Absolute goodness. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to open up the packet and then pull out the package, right? And I'm going to add this to the bowl first because we want the seasoning to permeate the noodles. All right, so we're going to put the seasoning in there first, and then I'm going to put a little couple of drops of this red food coloring. 1, 2, okay, of food coloring in there. Absolute goodness. Then I'm going to take my ramen noodles and I'm going to put the ramen noodles inside of the rapid ramen cooker and then pour half the crunchies out and then eat some of the crunchies myself. All right, so once I've done that, put that in there. Then I'm gonna crack open the egg, and then I'm gonna put it in kind of on the side, just like that. All right, so you have the egg in there, you have the food coloring, and you have the seasoning packet. Absolute goodness. All right, then I'm gonna add water to the line right here. You can see in there, and pour water all the way up to the line. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. All right. All right. After 3.5 minutes, I'm going to take the ramen noodles out. Just like this. And look at it. Absolute goodness. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Stir it up a little bit more. Doesn't it look good? Doesn't it look good? And that's how you make ramen noodles for Halloween with a bloody egg. Absolute goodness. Absolute goodness. Absolute goodness. Absolute goodness. Absolute goodness. Absolute goodness.